Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Donatello is hiring more workers for his frozen treat shop this year. Let's quickly find out which market change explains this hiring boost right now. In a perfectly competitive market, a firm's demand for labor is a derived demand. This means the firm hires more workers only if the value of their marginal product increases. When market demand for frozen treats rises, the equilibrium price of those treats also goes up. This higher price directly increases the marginal revenue product for every single worker hired. Because each worker now generates more revenue, Donatello will naturally hire more staff to maximize his profits. This makes option D the only logical choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given facts and check your steps.